Mastering the Art of Shrug Your Shoulders, a guide to English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English as simple and fun as possible. Today, we're going to explore a very common English expression, shrug your shoulders. Understanding these small phrases can make a big difference in how you communicate and understand English. So, let's dive in and master this expression together. 2. Shrug your shoulders means to raise and then lower your shoulders, usually as a way of showing that you do not know something or do not care about something. It's a non-verbal gesture that can convey a lot of information without the need for words. In English, we often use this phrase to describe the action in conversation, even if the action itself isn't physically performed at the moment. Shrug your shoulders can be used in various contexts. When you don't know the answer, if someone asks you a question and you're unsure of the answer, you might say, "I just shrugged my shoulders," indicating your lack of knowledge. When you're indifferent, this phrase is also used to express a lack of concern or interest in a particular outcome or decision. For example, when they asked me to choose the restaurant, I just shrugged my shoulders. In storytelling, when recounting events or conversations, you might use this phrase to describe someone's reaction to a situation, highlighting their indifference or ignorance. Understanding expressions like shrug your shoulders is crucial because it emphasizes the importance of body language in communication. Body language can often tell us more than words themselves. As you learn English, paying attention to these expressions will not only improve your vocabulary but also your ability to understand and convey subtle nuances in communication. And that's a wrap on Shrug Your Shoulders. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand this common English expression. Remember, mastering a new language includes learning how to express yourself both verbally and non-verbally. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be communicating like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.